One for all in one. The Aqualift S100 and S200 lifting stations from KESSEL. Powerful, reliable, and perfect for indoor freestanding installation. Their compact size means that the lifting stations can be easily integrated in small installation spaces, therefore making it the perfect choice for renovation work. Two tank sizes are available to choose from, with 100 or 200 litre storage capacities. The lifting stations come equipped with single or twin pumps, and you can choose between two different pump capacities. Both types of pumps are acoustically decoupled from the tank, assuring nuisance-free operation, and convey sewage-free wastewater by means of a multi-vane vortex impeller. The quick-release one-handed closure is opened or closed tool-free, making maintenance of the new Aqualift S100 and 200 child's play. If the lifting station is equipped with two pumps, it is ideal for critical applications where a system breakdown is not acceptable. This applies in particular to lifting stations installed after grease separators. And this is the first time that the inlet can be used for sampling. The large access cover can be opened and closed with just one hand, contributing to the system's easy operation. If an additional inlet is required, this can be added at your selected height and up to size DN150, thanks to a free drilling surface. One for all in one. The Aqualift S100 and S200 lifting stations.